All right, let's learn about function notation. Function notation is when we write an equation out, but instead of y equals, we say f of x. F of x, the entire thing, I put a box around it right here, so all of that is equal to y. Kids get this confused though, because if I plug a number in right there for x, the input is 0, the input is 1, the input is 2, the input is 3. So these are all of our inputs, also known as our x values. We'll plug those into the equation and boop, it's gonna spit out a f of x equals a number. So at the end of this, you'll get f of whatever value we're talking about equals a number. That number you get is equal to all of that, not just the inside value. And because all of this, f of x, is the same thing as a y, this number will be your output. So let's plug these numbers in to our equation, work it out, and see what we get. So we're looking for, basically we can make a table down here, x, y, inputs, x column, outputs, y column. You can change the y to f of x if you wanted to, and we're just gonna find our values. So we're looking for 0, 1, 2, and 3. 0, 1, 2, and 3. So let's plug those numbers in, work them out. Here we go. F of 0 is equal to 4 times x. Remember, your x value is a 0. So we're going to put a 0 there. And then we'll take away 9. 4 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 9 is -9. So my output would be -9 for the first value. Now we go and plug a 1 in here and here. So let me just erase real quick. Change those zeros to 1. Boom, boom. Now we got to work it out again. 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 minus 9, bring the minus 9 down. 4 minus 9, that's -5. So I take a -5, that's my output when my input is 1. Input, output, input, output, input, output, input, output. Notice we're just given all these different representations, equations, tables, function notation, okay? Let's go and change the 1s now to 2s, and then we'll do 3 and we'll be done. So we got to change the 1 here to a 2, that one to a 2, f of 2, that's how we say it, f of 2 is equal to 4 times 2, 4 times 2 is 8, and then don't forget to minus 9, that's going to give me -1, -1, and then last but not least, what's f of 3? We're going to just plug the 3 into the equation, work it out. So change the 2, the other 2, you can erase that because it's all going to change. X is now 3. This is our last and final one. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 is going to give me 3. So f of 3 is 3. We got ourselves a match there. Okay, so now I could go down and fill the rest of my table out. When I plugged 2 in, out came -1. When I plugged 3 in, out came 3. And you can see that we have a constant rate of change happening with our y values. We're going up for every single time our x values increase by 1. So why does that happen? Well, because your slope or your constant rate of change was a 4. All right, hopefully this makes sense. Study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.